I'm Chloe. This is a Kilo Show. Today we're going to make masking tape art. Today we need paint, masking tape, paintbrushes, and a cup of water, and the canvas. First we're going to pick the colors. Me first. I choose blue, black, and red. I choose silver, orange, and yellow. Now we have to push the apron so we don't get dirty. Now I have a hat. Now we're gonna put our paint in the palette. Blue. I'm gonna go with the blue. Now we have to tape the canvas. We have to do it one edge to another. But you can do it any direction. Now we're gonna paint between the tapes. I'm almost done. I'm almost done with Chloe's painting. Hey, you paint on mine. Painted on mine. Now we have to let it dry. Next, we have to peel this. All of the tapes. I said that's a. This is how you make napkin tape art. Hey, that's mine. Snotty tape. This is how you make masking tape